So, today we are going to make peanut butter marshmallow squares. And I already know what you're thinking. Ken, that's very simple to make. Yes, it is, but that's not the point. The point is I'm making videos to help people to see how simple some recipes are. So, as you can see, I have a little pot of boiling water going because we are going to do a double boiler in this because I don't have a pot big enough to stir in everything I need to stir in. Okay, so as you can see in the bowl I have about half a cup of butter, 1 cup of peanut butter, and we are going to basically stir this until it's melted. It's going to take a few minutes, but just keep stirring until everything is smooth. Like so. So, to this now, we are going to add 1 bag of butterscotch chips. All in. Just like so. Now, we want to melt that. Just keep stirring. May be hard to stir, but it will all come together. Okay, turn off the heat. Everything is mixed together. Now I'm just going to move this over to the side and add in the marshmallows. Okay, so here we are. Here's where we got to move quick. Give this another couple of turns, stirs, whatever you want to say. Add in a whole bag of marshmallows and start stirring. You want to get everything combined as much as possible before this starts to set up, which is not going to take very long. Don't worry if a few of the marshmallows melt. All good. Okay, once all the marshmallows are coated, I'm going to put it into a parchment lined pan. And spread it out. Just like so. And that's it. Told you this was going to be a quick video. So this goes into the freezer for a couple hours to let it set up. And you're done. Then cut into bars. Hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video.